In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Xero authentication code following our step-by-step 2025 guide. This process is crucial for securely accessing your Xero account, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Xero's login page. Simply open your preferred web browser and enter the URL https://login.xero.com. Once you're there, type in your email address and password that you use for your Xero account. This step is foundational for proceeding towards obtaining your authentication code, which is an essential aspect of your account's security. Next, it's time to grab your authenticator app. This is a critical tool that facilitates the authentication process. If you're using Xero's own authenticator app, known as Xero Verify, you might receive a push notification. All you need to do in this case is tap Approve to continue. However, if for some reason you don't receive a notification, don't worry. You can also find a 6-digit code within the app, which you'll use shortly. Alternatively, if you're using a third-party authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy, simply open the app and you should see a 6-digit code displayed next to your Xero account. This code updates every 30 seconds, so make sure to move swiftly as we proceed to the next step. With your 6-digit authentication code in hand, head back to the Xero login screen. Here, you'll see a field where you can input this code. Type your code carefully into the designated box. It's essential to ensure there are no mistakes when entering these numbers, as the login process relies on the accuracy of this code. Once you've inputted your authentication code and it has been accepted, you'll be granted access to your Xero account securely. It's as straightforward as that. By following these steps, you remain protected by utilizing multi-factor authentication, which adds an additional layer of security to your account. Should you find yourself in a situation where you lose access to your authentication app, don't panic. It's important to note that you can always revert to using your backup or recovery codes. These are codes that you should keep securely stored, as they can be invaluable in such situations. Alternatively, you have the option to reset your multi-factor authentication settings via your Xero account settings, and you can refer to the Xero Central Guide for more detailed instructions. And there you have it. You now know how to get your Xero authentication code, keeping your account safe and sound. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful Xero